Hi friends, welcome to Delicacies on the Plate. Today I am going to make masaledar chana dal. So herein I have taken around 75 grams of chana dal or gram dal. I have kept it soaked for last 2 hours. Now I am going to pressure cook in the pressure cooker. So add around 3 times of water. Add in salt to taste. 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and now I'm going to pressure cook up to 5 to 6 whistles. After 5 to 6 whistles, just take on the dal, beat it up with the spatula. Now here you can see the dal is done. Now I'll start ahead with the tadka process. Just roughly crush around 4 to 5 garlic cloves and 1 inch ginger. So in a morsel and pata, just crush it roughly. In a pan, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of clarified butter. Add 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. Let it splutter. 2 bay leaves. 1 red chili, whole red chili, 3 to 4 cloves, 1 big cardamom or black cardamom, just lit it from the center, 2 to 3 pieces of cinnamon stick, and 1 big onion finely chopped. Add it to the clarified butter and cook till it turns golden in color. If you want to make the dal in a simple way, you can skip the whole spices. Add in 1 tablespoon of coarsely grinded garlic and ginger paste. I have added whole spices just to show you, because in parties when the chana dal is made, it is made in this process. Add 1 green chili slit from the center and chopped. Add 2 medium size of tomatoes finely chopped and cook till it forms a paste like consistency. Add little bit of salt so that the tomatoes cook faster. Just keep a check because salt has already been added to the dal. Keep the flame on a low medium heat. Add 1 teaspoon of garam masala, half teaspoon of coriander seeds powder, 1/4 teaspoon of cumin seeds powder, and 1 teaspoon of Kashmiri red chili powder. Mix all the spices well into the masala. Now here you can see the masala is done. Still, if you feel that the tomato is not yet cooked properly, then just add in 1 spatula of dal water. This is from the cooker itself. Add it into the pan and cover and cook for 2 to 3 minutes or till the paste is done. After 2 to 3 minutes, when the paste is done, add in the cooked chana dal into the paste. Mix it well and simmer and cook for 5 to 6 minutes on a low medium heat. After 5 to 6 minutes, here you can see the dal is done. This consistency is perfect. If you want, you can add in more water, but for me this is perfect. Garnish with freshly chopped green coriander leaves, and this chana dal is ready to serve with steamed rice, jeera rice. This will really taste very delicious and very tasty. If you have liked this recipe, do give a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more such delicious recipes on Delicacies on the Plate.